Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Standard 10th subject mathematics, topic geometry, exercise 4.3, question number 5. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. If the third side is 2 meter less than hypotenuse, find the sides of a triangle. First you should draw a right triangle. Okay, first we should draw a right triangle, that is MAT. Now you come to the question. The hypotenuse is 6 meter more than means the word should be replaced by addition. Twice of the shortest side. We don't know what is the value of shortest, what is the value of the perpendicular, that is MA, what is hypotenuse. Nothing is there in the question. In that question, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. Nothing in the sense measurement is not given. Only verbal statement is there. That verbal we are going to convert into the mathematic format. Right. Now you see, in a right triangle, MAT, angle A equal to 90 degree. Here I am going to consider the shortest side should be X, right? Let the shortest side be X meter, right? Shortest side be X meter. Using that we are going to convert the hypotenuse. What is the measurement of the hypotenuse? What it is given in the question, you see, hypotenuse is 6 meter more than. That means which is your hypotenuse? MT is your hypotenuse, right? MT equal to 6 more than should be replaced by addition. Twice of the shortest side, that means 2 times, right? So 2x. Now what is your hypotenuse measurement? 6 plus 2x. 6 plus 2x. Here I consider the shortest side. The shortest side I am going to take it as MA, or you can take AT, that is your wish, right? AT equal to X, right? AT equal to X. Now you know AT as X. Then what is the value of MA, right? The third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse. The third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse. That means what it is? MA equal to 2 less than, right? 2 less than the hypotenuse means what? 2 less than 6 plus 2x. Then you shift 2 to that side. What it becomes? Negative symbol, right? 6 plus 2x minus 2. That is the meaning, right? See, the third side is 2 less than means negative, less than the hypotenuse. More than means addition, I said, less than negative. Now what is the third side? 4 plus 2x. It is a right triangle. We know all the measurements, that is 4 plus 2x. Then we can apply Pythagoras. What Pythagoras says? The square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. Now by Pythagoras When you can use Pythagoras? If one of the angle is 90 degree in the right triangle, you can use Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, mt square equal to ma square plus at square. ma square plus at square. What is mt? mt is 6 plus 2x. 6 plus 2x the whole square equal to, what is ma? 4 plus 2x the whole square. What we consider as at? At is x. So, at can be replaced by x square. Now, we are going to apply the identity a plus b the whole square. Now, a square, that is 36, b square 4x square plus 2ab, 2 into 6 into 2, 2 6 are 12, 12 into 2 24, 24x equal to, again the same, a plus b the whole square identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 16 plus 4x square plus 2 4s are 8, 8 into 2 16, 16x plus x square. Now you see, in between equal, the symbol is also same, the coefficient is also same, so you can cancel, right. Now what are the things are rest? 36 plus 24x is there in the left side, in the right side 16 plus 16x plus x square is there, right. Everything you shift to that side, then how it becomes? X square plus 16x plus 16 minus 36 minus 24x equal to 0. Now we are going to arrive a quadratic equation. Now you see x square plus 16x minus 24x, that means minus 8x, 16 minus 36 minus 20. Got it? 16x minus 24x, you will get it as minus 8x, plus 16 minus 36, you will get it as minus 20 equal to 0. Now you see, sum is negative, product is also negative. If both are negative, in that possibility, the bigger number is negative, smaller number is positive. For 20, what are the possibility? 1, 20, sum equal to, if you want to write sum equal to minus 8, product equal to coefficient of x square into constant. So, 1 into minus 20, minus 20. Now, what are the possibilities for 20? 1 into 20, 4 into 5, 10 into 2. These three are the possibilities. Sum negative, product negative. In that possibility, bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Bigger number negative, smaller number positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Which is apt? Based on the sum only you can select. That means this is apt, right. Now, x minus 10, x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 10, x is equal to minus 2. The measurement cannot be negative. So, x is equal to minus 2 is rejected. Now, we are going to get the value of hypotenuse, shortest side and the third side, right. AT equal to x you assume. So, AT equal to 10 meter, the side AT equal to how much? 10, because they ask find the sides of the triangle. Now, MA equal to 4 plus 2 into 10, 4 plus 2 into 10, what it is? 4 plus 20, which is equal to 24 meter. Now, MT equal to 6 plus 2x, 6 plus 2 into 10, that is 6 plus 20, which is equal to 26 meter. All the sides we found. One more beauty is there in this question, the 26, 24 and 10. These three numbers are Pythagorean triplets, right? Next, question number 6. 5-meter long ladder is placed leaning towards a vertical wall at a point 4 meter high. You should imagine when you place the ladder, lean on the wall means it will act as a hypotenuse, right? This is the ladder, this is the vertical wall, right? Now you see a 5-meter long ladder. This is 5-meter ladder. This is our wall. They said as this is 4 meter, right? Now you see it is a right triangle. Now what it is given in the question, you see, if the foot of the ladder is moved towards 1.6 meter towards the wall, that means the point it moves towards this side, towards the wall. Here you should make it as E. Then 1.6 meter towards the wall, then find the distance by which the top of the ladder would slide upwards on the wall. When you move towards the wall, the height will increase, right? Now you should connect. The distance between Y and E is given as 1.6 meter, right? The distance between, that means the foot of the ladder is moved 1.6 meter towards the wall, right? So the distance between E and Y is 1.6. When you move towards the wall, the height should be increased. That point is P, right? They are asking what is this? How much distance, right? Now you see, first you should find out what is the value of RY. In triangle TRY, angle R equal to 90 degree. Angle R equal to 90 degree. Previous time I discussed the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets means that it satisfies the Pythagorean concept. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, right? See, 5, 4 means the value of RY is 3 because 5, 4, 3. It's a Pythagorean triplet. Now, TY square equal to TR square plus RY square. TY square is given as 5 square equal to TR is 4 square plus RY whole square, RY square, right? Now 25 minus 16 equal to RY square. 9 equal to RY square. Then what is RY? RY equal to 3 plus or minus 3. The measurement cannot be negative. So, RY equal to 3 meter. Now, what is the position of RE? Children, what is the position of RE? RE is nothing but RE, that is RY equal to RE plus EY. RY we got it as 3. EY it is given as 1.6 equal to RE plus 1.6. RE equal to 3 minus 1.6. What is the value? 3 minus 1.6. It becomes 1.4. RE equal to 1.4 meter. Right? RE equal to 1.4 meter. Now, RE equal to 1.4 meter. Now, you see the triangle, right triangle PRE. In that, what is the value of PE? What is the value of PE, children? PE is 5 meter because the measurement, this one cannot be changed. The same ladder only you are going to move towards the wall. The height cannot be changed. So, what is the value of PE? PE is also 5 meter. In triangle PRE, angle R equal to 90 degree. Angle R equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, what it is? PE square equal to, that is PE equal to square root of PR square plus RE square. PR square minus RE square. Right? Now, PE square equal to PR square minus, plus children, plus RE square. Got it? See here, it is a right triangle PRE. PE square equal to PR square plus RE square. We know the value of PE, that is 5. So, 25 equal to PR we don't know, right? So, PR square, what is the value of RE we got? RE is 1.4 meter. 1.4 the whole square. Now, 25 minus 1.4 the whole square equal to PR square. Right? Now, 25 minus 1.4 is nothing but 14 square is nothing but 196. You want to place decimal point after 2 digits. You should move towards right to left. That means what can you get? 1.96 equal to PR square. Now, PR square equal to, have to subtract 25.00 1.96. Now, 4042. Right? PR square equal to 24.04. Sorry. 23, sorry children, 23.04. PR is nothing but 4.8. PR is nothing but plus or minus 4.8. The measurement cannot be negative, so you get it as 4.8. How I said 4.8? The same concept I taught earlier, right? The square root, how to find 23. See, for example, I am going to do one more time here, 2304. When you find a square root for the number, you have to take two numbers. You have to check which perfect number it will go on. That is 4 4s are. So, 4 4s are 16. Remaining, how much? 23 minus 16, 7. Then you should bring 2 digits to down. 704. It is a square root, so you have to multiply the quotient by 2. 4 2s are 8. Right? Which number it will go? You have to check. Here 8 is there, then point, 3 digits are there. How many, which number it will go? You have to check. 8 you should put, right? Here also you should write it as 8. Which number you are placing here? The same number you have to place it here. Use that number and multiply, right? Use that number and multiply these two. So what can you get? 8 8s are 64, 6. Again 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 6, 70. So the number is 4.8. But what we need the measurement of PT, right? We need the measurement of PT. PR equal to RT plus TP, sorry, RT plus TP. What is PR we found? 4.8. What is RT? Already it is given to you, 4 meter. 4 plus TP. Then TP equal to 4.8 minus 4, which is equal to 0.8 meter, which is equal to 0.8 meter. So what they ask, you see, the distance by which the top of the ladder would slide upward on the wall is 0.8 meter. The distance by which the top of the ladder will slide upward on the wall is slide upwards on the wall is 0.8 meter. Got it? They are asking what is the distance between these 2 points. That we got it as 0.8 meter. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.